Hello students, welcome to my channel Learner's Corner. In this video, I will solve the in-text questions of the chapter Work and Energy, the page number 148 and 149. In the Work and Energy chapter, important formulas are used are work done is equal to force into displacement. So whenever work is done, we say that force should be applied and the object should displaces the position. Second formula is kinetic energy Ek is equal to half mv square and the unit is joule. Potential energy Ep is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the object, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height of the object, and the unit is same, that is joule. The fourth formula we are using in this chapter is power is equal to work divided by time, and the unit of power is watt. So let us go to the page number 148. In page number 148, the first question is a force of 7 Newton acts on an object. The displacement is 8 meter in the direction of force as shown in the figure. Let us take that the force acts on the object through a displacement. What is the work done in this case? So what the question is, it is an object, it has displaced after applying 7 Newton of force and the displacement of the object is 8 meter. So what they have given, force they have given, 7 Newton of force is applied and displacement of the object is 8 meter. So we need to calculate how much work is done. We know that work done is equal to force into displacement. Let us substitute the values of force and displacement. Force is 7 and the displacement is 8. So when I substitute 7, it's a 56 Newton meter. That Newton meter is nothing but 56. Therefore 56 joule of work is done. Next, on page number 149, first question is, when do we say that work is done? When shall we say that work is completed? We say work is done when force is applied on the object and object displaces the position, or object there is a change in the displacement. So what shall we write? Answer for this question is, work is done whenever the given conditions are applied or satisfied. So these two conditions should be satisfied when we say that work is done. So what is the first condition is a force acts on the body. So force should be acted on the body. There is a displacement of the body caused by the applied force along the direction of the applied force. In which direction the force is applied? Through same direction there is a displacement of the object. Let us go to the question number 3. Write an expression for the work done when a force is acting on an object in the direction of its displacement. So we need to show that W is equal to F into S. So let us take the definition of the work done. When force is displaces, when force F displaces a body through a distance S in the direction of force, then work is done on the body. That is given by work done is equal to force into displacement. So force is denoted by F and displacement is denoted by S. So therefore work done is equal to F into S, and the unit what shall we write is, force unit is Newton into displacement is meter. So the unit of work done is Newton meter, that is nothing but joule. Let us go to the next question. The third question what they ask is, define 1 joule of work. Let us substitute the value of 1 Newton and 1 meter. That is nothing but 1 joule of work is done by an object when 1 Newton of force is applied on the object so that that object displaces 1 meter in the direction of applied force. So let us substitute the values. Work done is equal to 1 Newton of force is applied so that the object displaces 1 meter. So when we multiply, we are getting 1 Newton meter, that is nothing but 1 joule. So 1 joule can be defined as if 1 Newton of force is applied on an object such that the object displaces 1 meter. Let us go to the next question. A pair of bullocks exert a force of 140 Newton on a plow. The field being plowed is 15 meter long. How much work is done in plowing the length of the field? So they are asking how much work is done. What they have given here, force is applied. See, whenever the questions are given, we have to check the unit. Here they have given the unit, Newton they have given. So that is nothing but the force applied. The force applied is equal to 140 Newton and the field being plowed is 15 meter long. So the unit is they have given is meter. That is the standard unit of displacement. So here 15 meter is the displacement of the object. So work done by the bullocks is equal to force into displacement. So let us substitute the values of force and displacement. F is 140 Newton they have given and the displacement is 15 meter. Let us substitute the values of force and displacement. When I multiply, I am getting work done is equal to 2100 joule. Hence 2100 joule of work is done employing the length of the field. Hope these answers are clear to you. Thank you for watching.